Hello, I'm Suresh Kumar Murugesan, facilitator for that e-coaching. Today, I'm going to introduce about the structure of UGC NET examination. I think you all know that University Grant Commission, that is UGC, is conducting NET examination twice in a year. This time it is entrusted National Testing Agency, NTA. They are conducting examination for assistant professorship and JRF. So, UGC is conducting NET examination for social sciences and humanities, and CSIR is conducting NET examination for pure sciences. And you can see in the column when you are applying for the UGC NET examination, are you going to apply for assistant professorship or JRF? If you take assistant professorship alone, you are going to write examination to qualify only for that component. Suppose if you check both, then you can eligible for both assistant professorship as well as JRF, Junior Research Fellow. If you qualify that examination, that University Grant Commission will give you financial assistance for your research work. And we all know that this examination is conducted in twice in a year, in the month of June and in the month of December. And yes, there is one more comparison. What is the difference between SET and NET? SET is specifically meant for state eligibility test. If you qualify that examination, you can eligible to apply only state universities in that particular state. But if you qualify NET examination, you are eligibility to apply for all over India, both state as well as national institutions. And if you look at the history, that eligibility test component was started in the year 1984 by Government of India, and it was handed over to University Grant Commission in the year 1988. And there is a change in that there is one section in UGC that UCOT, they conducted examination in 1990, and it was given to CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education, 2014. Later, now recently, it was handed over to National Testing Agency. National Testing Agency, I think you all know that it is conducting all the entrance examination for NEET and for engineering, management and everything. So they are conducting NET examination for also, UGC also. And what is the eligibility for appearing for this examination? The person who is undergoing or completed that PG program in any one of the degree, humanities including all the languages, social sciences, forensic sciences, environmental sciences, computer science and application, and electronic sciences. If you qualified or undergoing any PG program in this discipline, you are eligible to appear. Some of the person, they may ask me that, sir, my degree is not in that list. What can I do? Yes, there is a provision that you can apply for that, the program which is relevant to your course which you have studied. And they given the criteria for also. In the post graduation, you must have 55% if it comes under the category general category, and if it comes under OBC and other category, you must have 50% marks in your PG degree. And they give an age limit for JRF, and JRF it is on 28, and for other community it will goes to 3 to 5 years, and for assistant professorship there is no age limit, so anyone can apply for that examination. And you can see that earlier it was conducted in paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. But now they converted into only 2 papers. Paper 1 is on teaching and research aptitude. Paper 2 is about the discipline which have master degree discipline. So there are 150 questions, and each question will carry 2 marks. So total of 300 marks will be counted. And from last year onwards, it is conducted only in online mode, computer-based test only. And you all know that, and the duration for the test only 3 hours without any break. That those who are going to appear the examination not allowed to vacate the examination hall until the 3 hours. And as I said in the beginning, the mode of examination will be in that online mode. The computer screen will be there, the questions will be displayed, and the options will be given. You have to check the right options or the answer which you feel best for the question. and you have to go to the next. Suppose if you don't know the answer for the particular question, you can, there is one more option they given, you can skip for temporarily. You can come back and then give the answer later. So this option is available in that computer based test. And your answers, in right side there is a column you can see. In that column, how many answers you have, how many questions you have answered and how many questions left out also we can see in that display. And I am really happy that you all enroll for this online e-coaching program for preparing your UGC NET examination. I assure you that I can facilitate maximum to develop skill on paper 1.